One Tri-State Dental Office is giving back to our community by providing free oral health care. Joining us this morning to talk about their upcoming event, we have Dr. Allie Front-Felter, and we also have Leslie Beach. Thank you both so much for being here today.
Thanks for having us.
So you both are a part of All in the Family Dental Company that's here in Evansville. Right. Tell us a little bit about the event taking place tomorrow.
Okay, I'm gonna let you take the lead.
Okay, so we are having this free dental day. We're providing cleanings, extractions, and fillings to those in need. It's a first come, first serve basis, so no appointment necessary, and we're just really hoping to serve as many people as we can.
Now, is this just for Evansville residents, and at what age? Because I mean, you guys probably see everyone of all ages.
Sure, yeah, all ages, from kids to adults. Just, our goal is to try to provide as many services as we can to as many people as we can. So
now is this the first year for the event?
Yes, first year for the event. We're definitely hoping to make it an annual event, and hopefully it grows from year to year, and maybe even a multi-office event at some point.
Where did this idea come from?
So we have some mentors and coaches that we're really close to, and we've talked about it for a long time, and then they really encouraged us this year to get it going.
Yep.
So Dr. Adam and I own the practice, but they really encouraged the team to kind of spearhead this event. So we have to give them all the credit. So Dr. Alex, Dr. DJ, and then there's a committee. They really did the whole planning of everything. So we're just showing up and trying to do the dentistry and help as many people as possible.
Now, I've never realized until, a few years ago just how important dental health care is. I mean, it can really impact every part of your body. So for folks that might not be aware, tell us about the importance of dental health and why an event like this is so crucial.
Sure. Well, the mouth is kind of the gateway to the body where everything, comes in. So having that healthy is important for, lots of things, heart, diabetes, pregnancy.
Yeah.
It kind of can affect, everything. So, if you can have a clean, healthy, mouth, it can really help the rest of your body.
So what is the game plan? Because as you mentioned, cleanings, extractions, fillings, some of these things could take some time. Sure. And I'm sure a lot of people will be taking advantage of this as well, because I know you said get there early for this event. So what is kind of the game plan? Do you guys have a lot of people on deck to take care of all these people, or maybe even people that haven't been to the dentist in years?
Sure.
Yes, we have 8 doctors, so the 4 that typically work at our practice, and then we've brought 4 additional doctors in to help. And then we have 37 volunteers coming tomorrow to kind of just help keep things moving and see as many people as possible. So
37 volunteers.
Yes.
Wow. Now, I know you said get there early because the event is from 7 to 3 tomorrow.
Yes.
So what about folks, are you cutting the cutoff line at 3 o'clock, or kind of what is the game plan for that?
So I think we plan on being done at 3, so maybe around 2 or 2:30 we'll probably be bringing in our last set of patients. But we're going to be handing out tickets and numbers just to kind of keep everybody in order and just make it a fun day.
And talk about the importance of offering something like this, because not everybody has health care. Not everybody can afford, dentistry work. So for folks that this might be able to take advantage of this, why is it so important to them?
I think just, the fact that there's such a access to care issue, and so to be able to bring people in, have things looked at, maybe we can, do a small thing to help, and then that will snowball into, more.
Maybe even your 6-month appointments, coming back and doing that, especially for the kiddos out there that, we're just getting their baby teeth and something like that. So pretty amazing stuff. Do you recommend people getting there a little before 7?
Yeah. We've had multiple phone calls this week just asking more questions about the day, and a lot of people are saying they're going to get there around 5 or 5:30.
Oh,
so
wow.
Yes, come early, come ready, bring your chairs, whatever you need to kind of wait in line, because hopefully we're going to get to well over 100 people.
Yeah.
Oh, probably.
Goal, so.
I've seen some of the lines for events like these, and it's a great thing. Okay, and I'm not going to call out my dad here, but my dad is terrified of the dentist. Okay, so what about folks that are so scared of the dentist, scared that they might have a cavity, scared that something might be wrong? What would be your advice to folks like that?
I think just coming in, we are like all in the family, just like it says, we're like a family, trusting, compassionate. We also have nitrous, so that helps people that are scared. But, you know, they're in good hands. You know, if we, and again, we just want to try to help as many people as we can.
And of course, this can go in the long run. Now, what do folks need to bring tomorrow with them? Do they need an ID? Do they need anything at all?
Nope.
Just themselves?
Just themselves.
Yeah.
What a great thing.
Yeah.
And now, will you guys do kind of like a background check with them, you know, maybe see where they've stand as far as their health care has gone?
Yes. We'll do some, you know, medical histories and take blood pressures, things like that. Just kind of double check things to make sure it's, you know, safe to do any of the procedures that we need to do.
Wonderful.
So.
Well, let's get this full screen up. I do want to reiterate, if you could give us the details again one more time, what time and where it's taking place.
All in the Family Dental. We're at Highway 41 and Lincoln Avenue, 1212 Lincoln Avenue. It's tomorrow from 7 to 3. All ages are welcome. And we're going to just give as many people a new smile as possible.
I love it. You guys are going to be busy tomorrow, so it's going to be great stuff. Thank you both so much for being here.
Thank you for having us.
Absolutely, and thank you for doing this for our community. So
absolutely.
we'll have a lot of brighter smiles.
Yes.
Wonderful. Well, Griffin Glasscock, she is standing by. She is tracking your Thursday 40.